Today, hundreds more unaccompanied migrant children arrived in San Diego at the convention center, which has been serving as an emergency intake site since late March. Fox 5's Kasha Gregorczyk is live downtown with what makes this group different. Kasha.
Good evening, Kathleen. Well, this new group is younger, ages 5 to 12 years old, and a mix of boys and girls. This site was previously focused on girls between the ages of 13 and 17 years old, but we are told a lot of these new arrivals already have siblings that are here at the convention center. Friday marked another arrival to the San Diego Convention Center, serving as an emergency intake site for unaccompanied migrant children. The Department of Health and Human Services says as of this morning, the site had more than 1,100 children. The latest arrival included 222. The new total brings the site close to capacity, which is 1,450. County leaders who were instrumental in working with the government on the space say they likely won't be offering up another site.
Well, I don't know how much more we could do. I mean, we stepped up as one of the first locations in the country, and I've been down there several times, and these are young girls, they're children. They have a legal right to be here. They were in some horrific conditions in CBP detention facilities.
But there may very well be others in our region.
Talked to the mayor of Long Beach. They're opening a facility. Others are opening. And so I think you're going to see other cities follow the lead of San Diego and stepping up to do the right thing to try and help.
The latest group is a mix of boys and girls between the ages of 5 and 12 years old. Recently, 300 children were transferred to Fort Bliss in Texas to free up some space for more arrivals, as many of the newcomers are siblings of the young girls previously being housed here since the end of March. The unaccompanied migrant youth have access to case management, health care, education, recreation, meals, and legal assistance now through the beginning of July. And also just a quick update on the COVID-19 cases here at the convention center. We are told 100 of the migrant children are still in some type of a quarantine here on site. And since the site opened in late March, 30 have already been released from quarantine. And we are told this site will continue to receive more children until it reaches capacity. And as some of these migrants get matched up with sponsors or family here in the United States, they will continue to receive more children until the site closes in early July. Reporting live downtown, Kasha Gregorczyk, Fox 5 News.
All right, Kasha, thank you for that update.